Hi everyone, this is Holly with Keller Beads Couture Designs, and just showing you the new homestead, trying to get everything unpacked and settled in. I got away from it all, so to speak. That's just the front, and then just gonna give you a little kind of 360 if I can. Cars. It's the guest house, aka where my son and my mom are gonna stay as well. It's really nice. It's really cute. Just gonna get some new windows for it. Came with a free horse. And that's one of the little things area out there. Take you around here. And I'm gonna start kind of documenting what I'm doing. They did a whole lot to this house. Really amazing things. It's a house that needs a lot more. Right now I'm just kind of getting, you see a lot of trash and some of that. There's just doing a lot of cleanup right now along with unpacking. And you can see the pond out there, and I'll take y'all out there at one point, even show you the creek I got running through my property when it rains. Sometimes even when it doesn't, if it gets a little overflow someplace else, it'll come down this way. And it's a hammock laying on there. I gotta get that hooked up. But that's the back patio. There's two porches. This is the back one. You come in on the side of the house. But you see there's some work that definitely needs to get done. I have no heat right now. The previous owners are being so kind as to help me. We're going to get some heat. You can see that we need some attention to the windows, seals, and things like that. So I'm going to be getting stuff done slowly but surely. It's just steady, you know, slow and steady wins the race kind of thing. So it's going to be a little bit. That pond is about, I don't know, supposed to be, I don't know what, maybe 1/4 of an acre? I don't know. They said it was an acre, but that looks too small for an acre. But then again, my judgment's way off. Here's the really cool front porch, and it's really pretty when it's lit up. It just needs some attention to detail as well. And you can see all that. I'm not sure if we should put gutters up or not on that kind of thing, but we'll figure it out. Definitely have got to put something underneath the house. It was cold last night. But anyway, so I'll take you inside. And I kind of want to, my daughter said to document it, so kind of maybe it's fun. I don't know. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's boring to y'all. I don't know what this is. This is the most beautiful tree. It started blossoming. Look at those beautiful purple blossoms. I have no idea what it is. A China berry, maybe? A China, I don't know. Very pretty. Yard was really nice. I just got to get, some mulch for it to help it stay nice. The holly berry, which I don't like, but, I mean, I don't hate it, but I don't like it much either. But they're actually really good for this. It looks really nice. So there's a lot of work already done. Like I said, you can see all the garbage we're putting out and stuff. And some stuff I'm donating. Just don't have time. We'll go in there later. My son's upstairs sleeping. My daughters are upstairs sleeping here too. But we're just going to go in here. And you can see the steps need some work. But, you know, even when they're like that, they can last a long while. Just going to make sure they don't get the house, which this one's not going to do that. There's Athena. You see right there, that needs to be fixed. And the air just flows very easily through all the doors. This house was built in 1912, and I'm going to find more about it as I go. She left a lot of the furniture and antiques for me, which was extremely nice and gracious. We have new windows in the house on the inside, and you can see outside in the shot that it needs to be done. But you see, this is a lot of work. And my oldest daughter's been helping me. My kids, the younger ones, are here from their dads, and they're going to help to get their stuff done. Or they're supposed to anyways. We'll see if that happens. Now, one of my friends, shout out to Tawny, hello, when I was growing up, had a very old Victorian home, and last night, because we were really cold, had space heaters and stuff, I remembered, close the doors. So that did help some. And you can see kind of the mixture of the new with the old, which I'm going to have to really kind of go through. I'm already, if any of you are interested in my desk, that big giant monstrosity, it's not a monstrosity, it's just huge. Desk, it won't fit anywhere in here, and it's huge. And so, anyways, it has a lot of potential for somebody who likes, who wants to do beading or crafting or anything, or for your, office. It's still in awesome shape. It has a few character marks, but it's in really good shape. This door needs, the hinge needs to be put back in properly. I don't know if that's stripped out, which it probably is, as old as this house is. And there's the front door. You can see all the stuff. And then this was a piece that they built for their children when they were little, that their son built actually for their children when they were little, and it's a bunk bed. It's like a little bunkhouse inside the house, which is really cool. The piano fit right underneath these wonderful stairs that go up to the loft, and I'll just kind of show you the loft because I don't want to. You see, it goes up there. One goes to the left. To the left is one room, and to the right is one room, and we've got some work in there. And this is the back door for the, which I got the curtains covering to help keep the cold out. And I'll try to see if I can find that glass knob that goes to that. Get that out of there. And then I've got a little mini closet here with a curtain. She's in there. And this wonderful bathtub. And really cool. I have a beautiful antique mirror that I'm going to replace that with. That I've had in my house that it used to sit over the piano. This actually is supposed to be a sliding door into my room, but the hinge, I gotta show them when they come in. They're helping me get the gas going, so I'm gonna have to show them when they come in that they forgot to put the pin, because they're supposed to hang it back up for the sale. But you see, I'd like to get the rollers and find rollers, but that's a later date. I really want a headboard, and the house needs to be leveled again because I'm going downhill. So you can see my TV leaning, mildly TV leaning, maybe you can see it. Anyways, but that burned beautifully, but propane gas is not efficient for warming an entire house. So, and that's what that stove is for. But the stove was back fuming, or what do you want to call it? The smoke kept coming back out and choking everybody. So, we had to put it out. They're going to come in and clean out the flue this morning after they go get the gas, and try to help get that fixed. So, but you can see it's a beautiful kitchen. I have no idea what's in the refrigerator because I haven't even been able to open it yet because they packed the house full. And then this beautiful stove. This is amazing, but I'm scared to death to use it because these knobs, right now it's off because the gas is off, but these knobs are super hard to move. And these, like, one knob costs $250 to replace it. And so I love it for being in here because it really goes with the house and the quaintness of the house. But a newer one would be way more efficient. But that's also very expensive too. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. Through here, this used to be where the sink was. And I love this beautiful thing. But I have a beautiful copper sink that was supposed to go in here. Let me show you. That they had they had gotten it. It was supposed to go in here, but it won't fit. So, and I kind of like the old cast iron look because it really goes with the stove right there, more so than the other thing. So I was trying to decide whether or not to keep this because this is a really good counter space for baking or whatever. I mean, I've got some right here too after I move the boxes and stuff, but this is really good counter space. So not sure. And then you have up here just this beautiful 10-foot ceilings and shiplap everywhere. Some of it was painted, and I understand and I don't know if they did it or the people, they owned it before them because they owned it for 20 years. So I have no idea. These beautiful stained glass windows that they have. I'm going to try to find some more in an antique store to hang some up in my daughter's rooms, but anyways, you can just kind of see, and I'm going to get this thing going up. Once this thing gets going, it should hold this whole part of the house. So, but, that's everything. What it's supposed to do and what it does do is two totally different things. And I will take you through Next time I'll take you through the guest house. Y'all have a blessed day.